Hello everyone, I'm Aisha and you are tuned in to the 622 episode of our Here and Now podcast. Today, we bring you the latest buzz from the insurance industry, so let's dive right in. Our first story today from Business Standard, which highlights about a report from Policy Bazaar. What is particularly encouraging is not just the volume of sales, but the quality of coverage being chosen. The report shows that customers in these smaller cities are opting for much higher sum assured covers. For instance, the share of people in Tier 2 cities buying insurance cover between rupees 10 to 14 lakh has jumped to 47% this year, up from just 27% in 2022. A similar trend is seen in Tier 3 cities. This shift is being driven by rising awareness about healthcare costs, easier access through digital platforms, and more affordable payment options. This reflects a deeper understanding of healthcare costs and a more structured approach to long-term health protection beyond metros. Moving on to our next story from News 18, which highlights a trend of expanding insurance reach, we bring up an important global observance on Universal Health Coverage Day, which is today, December 12th. The theme this year centers on building resilient health systems and ensuring that everyone, everywhere, has access to the quality health care they need without facing financial hardship. For India, this day is a moment to reflect on the progress made through initiatives like Ayushman Bharat and the growing penetration of private health insurance, as we saw in our first story. The goal of universal health coverage is to make comprehensive health services accessible and affordable for all citizens. The expansion of insurance into Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities is a massive step towards this national goal, bridging the urban-rural healthcare divide and fostering a culture of health security. Moving on to the next story from Money Control. While we are on the topic of specialized coverage, let's shift gears from health on the ground to health in the air. Why the push for inbuilt air travel insurance is gaining significant momentum, especially in the wake of the recent operational crisis faced by Indigo Airlines. The disruptions, including massive flight delays and cancellations, have left thousands of passengers stranded, highlighting the vulnerabilities of air travel. This has reignited the debate over making travel insurance an integral part of the ticket booking process rather than an optional add-on. An inbuilt insurance product typically covers expenses for trip cancellations, delays, lost baggage, and even medical emergencies during transit. Industry experts believe that making this a seamless part of the purchase process would provide a crucial safety net for consumers, ensuring they are not left out of pocket due to unforeseen circumstances. It is a move that could transform the travel experience from one of uncertainty to one of assurance. And for our final story today, from ET Brand Equity, we turn to a heartwarming initiative from the Goa government. The state has made the Kera Suraksha insurance scheme completely free for coconut tree climbers and workers. This is a fantastic example of targeted social security designed to protect one of the most vulnerable workforces. The Kera Suraksha policy provides financial coverage to coconut workers against accidental death or permanent disability while on the job. Previously, workers had to pay a nominal premium, but the government's decision to waive this cost ensures that every single registered coconut worker in the state is now protected. This move not only provides a vital safety net for the workers and their families, but also acknowledges the immense risk and hard work involved in this traditional occupation. It's a powerful reminder of how insurance can be a tool for social empowerment and economic stability for specific communities. And with that, we conclude today's episode. We hope you found these news updates helpful and insightful. As always, our podcast Here and Now will continue to bring you more such insurance updates. Until then, take care, goodbye, and have a great weekend.